Hi guys, welcome to my channel NXT Creators. In this video, in this series, we are going to create an Alexa instead of buying it. Okay, in this, we need many modules, right? So first, we are going to install some modules. First, let me open my Explorer and let me go to the folder where I have created. Yeah, I have created an Alexa series folder and I have requirements.txt. I'll give it in the description. So now first we are going to open it with code. Okay. So we have the requirements here. These are the requirements we need to install. So now let's install without getting late. Okay, let me open the new terminal. I'm not delaying the process. So I have the back, I have the git bash. So now let me here install. Wait a minute, sorry. So now we're going to install this pip. Pip install r rec. Make sure the spelling is correct. Requirements.txt. We are checking our packages are installed or not. So yeah, all of their packages are installed for me. Okay, you may get few errors while installing few packages. So I'm going to explain those. Okay, first one is pyaudio. I don't have it here because we may get error. So you need to install the pipwin. So simply write pipwin install pyautogui. You need to install pyautogui using pipwin. So now, yeah, simply it will download it for you. I already see it's already installed. So I'm not putting it when it installed. You may get error for PyTTS, PyTTS is free. You can install from DSX3. If you get errors, so simply first install pywin32 and after that you can simply install pyttsx3 without any errors. I have already installed. So now next, we will not get errors for this thing. And you need to install pywhatkit, wikipedia, pyautogui. Okay, all are installed. So now let's get into the topic. So we are adding a file as alexa.py and another file settings.py. Yeah, settings.py and another file. If we need a file, we can create afterwards. So for now, we are using this alexa.py. Yeah, we need another thing for modules.py. So now we are going to import all these modules. Make no errors, nothing happens. Simply write import. You need to take this pin out. Yes. And check this out. You need to import speech recognition in a different way of install. Yeah. This is the correct way of importing speech recognition. I have imported pywhatkit, request, pytsx3, speech recognition, pyautogui, Wikipedia. All my new packages are installed. So now let's give an basic interface here. Yeah. Um, um, Alexa. your personal and passing the. Okay, so I have created an info.py and I have simply given the instructions here. I am Alexa, your partner. You can use it as your way. So I have deleted that file. So let me create alexa.py. So we have imported all the modules. So first we need to import it in here. Import modules. So we have imported the modules here. So now we need to go to settings.py and create a simple function. First we need to import modules for here. And creating command that takes our microphone input. There take command. So we need to know take command. There are no parameters needed. Okay, so I made a small change here from modules import all. You should also write it like this. And I've already written the take command from an old file, so I will simply explain it. So create a variable with R and simply get sr.recognize. So from module type by we have taken speech recognition as SR. So simply write sr.recognize. This will recognize our voice. And with sr.microphone as source, use audio variable and the or audio r.listen source. We are using this with command with using sr.microphone instead of writing here. You can take this command out and print listening. Make sure you add it to get clarity either it's listening or not. And first I will try this by print recognizing query is equals to r.recognize Google. I'm using Google. You can use Google Cloud, Bing, Phoenix, IBM, many of those. And use this audio variable as the parameter and the language is English India. I'm using English India because I'm an Indian. And simply print you said. The content you said will be printed here. If you got any error, simply say please play that again and return this query again. Okay, I think you understood. So now we are moving to another command. Def p. Okay, we are using an parameter. So simply create engine is equals to pi this command will speak out what we write in between these pairs. So simply create IP talk to it and simply say engine dot say pair and after that engine dot run and wait. So we have created a speak function and we need another simply so yeah I need another command like this. So I'm writing here not speak speak simply speak and print it will print and as well as speak out the command. So we have created these both variables. We need it. It will speak out and it will speak and print out. It has very compatibility. You can be like that. So that's up for this video. In next video we will discuss another thing. In this video we have discussed about taking the command and the modules we need we have installed and speak command and speak and print command. Means overall we have created speech to text and text to speech. So in the next video, we will be going further. So until then, bye. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.